some cereal? Are you ready to eat? Let's take a drink first. Okay, here's your cup. Cup. Here's your cup. Here's your cup. Cup, cup, cup. There's your cup. 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 There's your cup. There's your cup. Cup. Want to take a drink? Here, Mommy helps. Cup. Cup. Yes, you do. Cup. Good boy. Cup. Cup. Oh. Cup. This is your cup. Cup. Oh, stop your gagging. Oh, stop your gagging. Cup. Cup. Chewing on our cup. There you go. Did you get some? So we're teething. We're teething. We're getting a tooth. Cup. Cup. Good boy, you got some juice there, didn't you? Did you just spit it out? Did you just spit it out? Cup. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Yes, you did a good boy. You did a good boy. Cup. Here's your cup. This is your cup. Good boy. Good job, Alex. Oh, you got lots. Good boy. Should we eat some cereal? Eat some cereal? Bananas and blueberries? Should we eat some cereal? I'll get you chewy. It's a bite. It's a bite. 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 Good boy. I don't know where your blue chewy is. I don't know. Bite? No. No. Let's not throw up on camera. Alex, let's not. Can we not? Can we not, please? Get it together. Hold it together. Okay? Okay? Have you got a handle on it? No, ma'am. No, ma'am, I don't. All better? All better? Goodness. Did you get a chunky? Is it too thick? Let's try and thin it. Let's try and thin it. Okay, let's make it thinner. That might be too thick. That might be too thick. Did we make it too thick? Want me to make it thinner? Let's try this. This might be better. Bite. Bite. Good boy. Good boy. That better? Is that better to swallow? Bite. Yes, you do. Bite. Bite. You pushed all that right over the spoon. I don't know where your blue chewy is. The one you like. Bite. Bite. That wasn't very good. Good swallow. Bite. Bite. Oh, little sticks. Bite. Bite. Good boy. That was a good boy. Good boy.